how I get from this to this. I'm so in love with this DIY wall mold. I think it's so beautiful. So let me show to you how it was before. So this is my wall and a lot of marks, and I need to paint it over. I start painting to remove all the marks, and my son want to help me as well. And then later on is when I saw that the painted wasn't matching, wasn't the same. So I had to go to the store to buy a new paint and paint it over again. Then I went to Lowe's, I bought my wood over there. I just love Lowe's. I think they have more options. Then I got home, then I started cutting my wood. I started cutting 45 degrees. I hope you guys can see well what I'm doing. I'm cutting my 45 degrees here, and I'm cutting manually to show to you guys that you can cut it manually without the sewing machine. And voila, the 45 is done, and the rest I cut it with my machine. It is the same thing, doing 45 degrees for each side. This corner I bought at Amazon, then I painted, then I start glued. I used Gorilla Heavy Duty. And when you glue it, make sure to wipe down all the residues. That way, that will not make it harder for you to clean later on. I guess you were just so misunderstood. You know I'm never truly gone for good. If I could look inside your brain, you know I would. You know I would. You know I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. After glue everything, it's time to paint over to hide all the glues or all the paints and make everything so clean and beautiful. And let me know what you guys think. I think it's really beautiful.